prenuptial agreement, or a prenup for short, is a contract signed by two people before getting married to set out how their properties, businesses, assets, and debts will be divided during the marriage, or if they end up getting a divorce. In Missouri, it's also known as a marriage contract. In this video, we'll cover what Missouri law has to say about prenups, what prenups can and cannot include, and how to draft one that will stand up in court. Make sure that you watch to the end of this video to grab a template for a Missouri prenuptial agreement, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos by eForms, the world's largest database of official legal forms. Let's look for a moment at how prenups are enforced in Missouri. Unlike many other states, Missouri has not adopted the Uniform Premarital Agreement Act, which establishes standard requirements for prenups. That means that prenups are largely guided by statutes and case law in Missouri. So, what can and cannot be included in a Missouri prenuptial agreement? A prenup in Missouri can cover a variety of different issues, including division of premarital assets and debts, property, alimony, matters of medical care or disability insurance, and more. As with most other states, Missouri does not allow child custody or support arrangements to be determined in a prenup. The courts reserve the right to determine child custody based on what's in the child's best interest at the time of the divorce. Next, let's go over how you can draft a prenup that will stand up in court. For the agreement to be considered valid in Missouri, it must be signed by both parties in addition to a notary public or a witness. Also, courts must determine that both parties must sign the agreement freely, fairly, willingly, understandingly, in good faith, and with full disclosure, and the terms of the agreement must be conscionable or reasonably fair. This means that both parties should have access to their own lawyers and have enough time before the wedding to discuss and revise the agreement as necessary. Under state law, both future spouses must disclose all assets and values to each other, be fully informed of legal rights, and stand in relatively equal bargaining positions. You can get an agreement that will be accepted by Missouri court law at the link below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can access more videos that will guide you through some of life's most complicated and potentially costly situations.